Yeah.
Kawin.
Smith Best Build Construction. You want your house good all a function. You have to link Smith Best Build Construction. Yeah, we are talking about the roofing, the slamming, the decking. Yeah, the electrical and the plumbing, that's something there. We are talking about make house from start to finish in origin. Yeah, dig out the construction site from. Yeah, you know what we are talking about. You have to link up Smith Best Build Construction right now. And them response to that something here. The best work team right.
We have to make sure we don't get catch on the video. Because we have to remember them memories there, no man. We just run go watch it and come back and the board there and just done it. In a rain and all of them sitting there. See it here. Someone reach out there. The whole of the place dig down. And full off. Soon reach. Yeah peeps, so they almost completely digging down. Almost. As you can see, start put up some posts. So I actually finished. Just have that little piece of a dig down now. I cut out the whole of that little piece here and throw it down in it. So today we actually finish up, put up and see if we can put on some zinc and then ready. Yeah man. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright peeps, so over there, done put in a plate. Put in a plate and sit there now. We are cut and put up board and all of them things there now. Father God kind of overcrowd the place, but the drum are coming today, so we don't mind the drum coming and we get the water. So 2 drums you're gonna need. 1 drum to go out there, so right on the part there, right where the post lean up on this, so right there, so 1 drum and over there, so if you catch water we come off a full cup, so we never run out of water. So we're going just go buy some 2x4 and some lot. You know everything go. Finish up, we have finish up. Yeah. So as for people, we have a zinc now, we have a black tank. We have a 2x4 and we have a lot them. So you tank the up there, so big black tank. Trouble. I'm not sure if I put it right so, but I don't think it's gonna work. So I have to dig away so and put it there. So I structure this. Yeah man, outside man. Alright, well, hey. Yes. Talk to me.
Alright people, see you then. Tá video não?
Esse tá video. How long you have video? Alright, see boy OJ they know him always a talk about nobody now video him. So alright, OJ and nail along the zinc, see there? In the pan the saucer right now, cup and saucer. So then call the zinc when them a turn it.
Level down there?
Yeah, see Paul there down there marks Paul if you level it.
Suppose.
Yeah.
Right there, sorry.
Down there look good.
Yeah man, it a run man. It a run look a bit. Can't turn over it. Like they say tank I go. Can't turn over. lady up there. Sun a shine. Sun a shine down here, I can't see you. I turn upon the angle.
We'll take one next one more zinc and I eat that. One more zinc that we reach. 7. Wait, come back working for night. But you gone with the car a while ago. I feel this idea that then we'll make one, you spin it around.
Alright, so.
So no matter there, we have to take up the dirt. Where the dirt man there? No, me, I see. Vale. Oh, huge. Come here. Make that. What do you make it? What do you make it? Yeah. I don't know how to spin it for either. Bigger. I said bigger. I'm gonna make man. But material. Realize that nothing. No, man, lot of material, money have to big. I want to see the edge. Money have to turn up. The thing said I just cut all like hard. The line they don't miss. Who are you know?
What is the set good dog?
One is the glass is the gun. I tell you, I'm sure.
I'm going to see it for the cup to
Peeps, so I zinc half it already and set the block tank and I use one of the zinc them to build a catchment for water to go straight into the tank, as you can see right there. So half I cook zinc half, next half next to done this cube mesh wire left to pull off half of it. I may have a big roll of mesh wire there so to finish our life all cup. Right, you know what's my best build there. And time to go to Ochi. We have to come back and finish up very soon. So guys, you can see what I go on. Yep. Fly off. Get ready. See it there. Huge fall cup. Very massive, right? Very massive. So I see everything will go on. Water tank. Everything set. Apply there if you come in, a good thing me come down. Apply there if you go down the corner there. I hit that. And be a mesh wire up. So the place cool and nice, so your chicken them can run and them level off the place, can still have it to level off. Just I realize, you know, when you say you should have video here. Yeah. One more get quality. One last one is for me, you know. I did. I'm trying to find that. Anyone, yeah. Alright. Yeah. What the problem? I don't touch you. I don't touch you. Let's go.